Hello, this is Pytronics. We will provide an online tutorial to let you practice on MicroPython programming, using the Raspberry Pi Pico. Tutorial 2 is about preparing the Raspberry Pi Pico to be programmed with MicroPython language. Let's start. First, we connect the Raspberry Pi Pico to the PC using the USB cable. This notification indicates that the connection done successfully. Then, we open the Thani application, and we click on the bottom button shown. Select the Install MicroPython choice as shown to you. Select the target device. And choose the correct version of the Raspberry Pi Pico used. The one we select is without wireless. You can choose the second option if your Pico supports the wireless connection. Then we choose the latest version available, which usually fix all the bugs and issues. It takes a short time to copy the files to your Pico. After the process is finished, we close this window. Then we click again on the button below. It will appear for us a different menu including the Raspberry Pi Pico and the number of the COM port which is connected through it to your PC. Click on it, and a new files window of your Pico will appear to you indicating that your Raspberry Pi Pico is ready to be programmed. See you in the next tutorial.